Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog for today. So meron lang ako guys isi-share sa inyong. It's very interesting for me kasi it's really too many. So ayan, bago tayo magkahaba ng istorya, isi-share ko sa inyo for today's vlog with Sus Vlog Channel kasi merong paning ginawang aking amo. So I share you guys here. Wait one second. So ito yung guys isi-share ko sa aking pagbo-vlog for today. Yung amo ko nag-order siya ng 4 boxes of grapes. And these 4 boxes of grapes are different kind of, 2 kind different. So, ayan. Mali tuloy ang sabi ko ata. 2 different types of grapes. So, itong isa, ano siya guys, yung mahaba siya na black grapes na tinatawag. So, alisin natin. So, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kadami. I could not really imagine guys, how we gonna finish this one and where we gonna put it. He told me that I could bring, actually I already bring on my place last night because today Friday I have also a gathering with my friend. They will coming to my apartment tonight. So ayan, naisipan ko lang siyang i-vlog for today kasi it's really interesting for me. So ayan ang this is grapes from Thailand. I think it's from Thailand if I remember correctly. So ayan. And all the same from Thailand, but this is another kind of grapes that I will share to you guys. Oh, this is more interesting for me. I like this one. I love this one than that black one. So ayan, di ba ang dami-dami. How can we finish this one? I could not really imagine. Oh my god. And he said it's not very expensive. Because I don't know how he take this one, how he found it, maybe in internet. Yung iba naman daw ibibigay niya ata sa mother niya or I don't know. So ayan guys, this is red grapes and the other one is black grapes. So diba, ang dami, Diyos ko po. Itry ko nga buksan lahat guys para makita nyo naman. Nasa schooling yan ang aking alaga. So ayan, nagbubulat-lat tayo ng mga kalat-kalat dire. Para naman natin. Ito na nga, na-open ko na nga yung grapes na to. Kasi last night pa to deliver guys. Kasi last night nag-overtime din ako. Nag-out ako sa work ko ng I think 11:30. If I remember correctly. So, wala naman problema sana magbili. Kaya nga sabi ko, why did you order a lot? Sabi niya naman sa akin, that's okay Susan. It's not very expensive. But how much I said it costs for $1? $10. How much $10? Crazy. Di ba? Ganun lang siya. So, ayan. Tingnan natin to. I think it's the same. This is also blackberries. Black strawberry. Ay, not strawberry, sorry. Grapes. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Oh. Paano nyo yan uubusin? Can you imagine? Saan kami kukuha ng lakas nito? Ibiblender ko na naman siya ng ibiblender, guys. Kaya ako pag natatamad na akong kumain, magnguya, biniblender ko ang aking mga fruits. Parehas lang nga. Sabi niya nga, this 4 boxes, 2 kind of grapes meron daw. Oh, this is also red grapes. So, it's the same, exactly the same, guys. So, I don't know. I will give away some of my friend also tonight. They will come to my place. I will give to my friend because I could bring also in my place. Ayan, nadami, di ba? Fresh na fresh. Fresh na fresh ang grapes. Masarap kainin. Magkain ako ngayon. Ayun ang kakainin kong lunch. Ayan. So, ayan. Naipag-share ko na dito sa aking pagbablog kung gaano ka-crazy ang amo ko sa mga ganitong bagay, guys. Last night din nagbili ako. Yesterday nagbili din ako guys ng grapefruits. Ang sarap, ang tamis. Dito pagdating sa pagkain, panawa ka, Diyos ko po. Kaya sino makakaisip kumain ng mga junk food? No. I only eat grapes. I only eat fruits. So ayan guys. Thank you sa inyong panonood na may nakapagpasaya ako ng kahit man lang sa mata. Ayan. Gaano ba naman kadami kasi in-order na itong amo ko, Diyos ko po, Lord. Pagpalain nawa ang Panginoon. So, ayan. Pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon, I mean. So, thank you guys. Maraming salamat once again. Yun lang po ang aking may share po my vlog for today. Kasi napaka unrealistic para sa akin. Kasi okay lang naman sana mag-order ng isang ganito, isang black. Pero, dinobli ba naman niya? Bawat color, 2 boxes. So, total is 4 boxes we have here right now. So I could not really figure out where I given away this one, because in a few days they will gonna rot on, you know. So I don't know how to keep this one fresh, or I don't know. We will gonna eat all the time with my Nikita. And as I remember correctly, on Monday they're going fly away on Moldova. So I have no idea what I'm going to do with all these grapes. The only thing he mentioned to me last night, I could give away to my friends. So I will bring some for my friend tonight, because they will be coming to my place. So I will give away some of them. So ayun guys, thank you everyone. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa aking mga pagbablog. Whether you like it or not, Sus Vlog is always here. So ayan. Love you all guys. Maraming salamat. Mwah! Kiss, kiss, hug, hug. Blessing to all you guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.